Las Vegas Sands Hospitality Immersion Program is an initiative launched by the Thurgood Marshall College Fund in partnership with Sands. This opportunity aims to connect 15 students from historically black colleges and universities to the travel, tourism, and hospitality industry.
We had over 500 applicants that applied for this experience, and 15 of the best and brightest students from our HBCU cultures were brought here to engage and deepen that relationship with our Sands partners.
Partnering with Sands allows TMCF to open doors to talented HBCU students in an industry where they're often underrepresented. This experience should help them see the range of opportunities in hospitality, connect them with professionals, and equip them in the next step in their journey.
Through the support of the Las Vegas Sands Corporation, students from across the country have been brought to Las Vegas, the world's greatest laboratory, to be immersed in all segments of the hospitality industry. The Sands Hospitality Immersion Program is different than other recruitment offerings, as it provides a holistic approach, educating and introducing students to the art, business, and science of hospitality.
I've known I wanted to be in hospitality since my senior year of high school. This was a chance for me to take a step back and get refreshed on what the industry really is, how intentional it is, and really learn about it from the perspective of Las Vegas, really the capital of hospitality, I would say, in the United States.
Coming into the Sands Immersion Program, I was expecting to gain more exposure to the hospitality industry that I have not gained while being in the military, doing culinary arts and food service. And it's a big difference. And not only that, this program was able to give me the knowledge to expand, to grow in different aspects of the hospitality industry.
Well, I think the great thing about the program we're doing with Thurgood Marshall College Fund right now is that the young students who've come in are asking great questions. They're very well prepared for their visit. They're curious, they're inquisitive. Programs like this are really important to get people to understand the types of jobs in this industry. And so the opportunity for these students to get here to understand really in depth the opportunities that the hospitality and gaming industry have, I think is really important, and we look forward to continuing to be able to help in this effort.